Hello friends, today I have a video for you. It's an unboxing video of the SCT Sampler for February 2022. Now I subscribed to this and this is the first one that I've ever received. You get a bunch of little goodies and it's a really good deal. If you pay for the whole year, it's essentially $14 a month. But they have different options, so you can do it I think monthly or every 3 months or every 6 months or something like that. It's up to you. So I'll leave a link down below for you. I'm not an affiliate with them, so I'm not getting anything from them. I just wanted to try this little subscription, and I think it will spark my creativity every month. So you get two different, you get supplies from two different companies in this kit. It's the Doodlebug Lots of Love collection and also the Simple Stories Happy Hearts collection. And then they have a die that they have created themselves, the scrapbook and cards today. That's the SCT Sampler. And so that was that happy die with the background that you saw. These are some foam stickers from the Happy Hearts collection from Simple Stories. And these are some little word ephemeras, and I think those are from the Doodlebug Lots of Love collection, but I'm not sure. So lots of pretty ephemera that you get in this little kit. You'll be able to make lots of fun little cards. Now I used to subscribe to the Spellbinders card kit of the month, and that one was more expensive, but you get a lot more stuff with that one, and I just kind of wanted to scale it back a little and see what I could create with something a little more simpler. So these cards here are from the Happy Hearts collection from Simple Stories. This one I believe is from Doodlebug Lots of Love collection. So I'm just going to show you these different, these are 6x6 pattern papers, and they're double-sided, so you get a pattern on each side. You can choose how you want to, if you want to use one side or the other, or cut it in half or in thirds or fourths or whatever, and use both. Now this collection here I believe is the Happy Hearts collection from Simple Stories. And those are really pretty. And I will be making some cards with these and sharing these with you on YouTube as well. I've already made about 2 cards with this kit, and so I'm excited to share that with you guys. Now also you get some cute little hearts as well. These are like enamel hearts, so these are kind of cute, and I'm not sure which collection that's from. Probably the Doodlebug, but I'm not positive. So thanks for watching the unboxing, and stay tuned for the cards I'll be making with this kit. Go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of future videos. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.